I notice when I go in labs that not only is the technical aspect important, but all the aspects and all the process areas are important. So I speak to the people in logistics, in the materials management department, facilities, and even housekeeping. And so when I talk with them, I want to ensure, first of all, they feel included in the organization and the goals and the mission of the organization. What stood out for me is when I spoke to one of the housekeeping staff, and they said they definitely feel included because they're invited to the holiday parties, the events that's going on in the laboratory and throughout the organization. So they felt that they were part of the family. In addition to that, with the logistics team and the materials management and facilities team, when there's the conversation of bringing in new instrumentation, they are included in that conversation, which is helpful for them because they have to look at their storage capabilities and anything that may affect the facilities department. So again, that shows inclusiveness with these departments outside of the testing area because all of these interact together to have a good foundation and good quality culture.